you? Good morning, Bee. What's in my hands? Can you show me your teeth? Can you show me your tongue? Can I see your toes? Thank you, Bee. Say bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye.